Okay, so what is our formula for density?
Mass divided by volume.
And what does mass need to be in?
Yeah, grams.
How about volume?
Milliliters.
Yeah, they want it in milliliters. So they give us kilograms, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we could go from kilograms to grams pretty easily. We know how to do that.
Oh, well,
And then-
they just changed here. Because I clicked on my pie and then I went back, it's just giving me grams now.
Oh, nice of them. But then they gave us liters. So now,
Now we gotta convert that.
liters to milliliters.
Yeah.
And then we'll just plug those in.
Okay.
And so, however many liters you had. How many liters? On there?
How much does it say?
Yeah.
It says 0.531.
And then, 1 goes by our SI unit guy.
Yeah.
And what does milli mean?
10 times -3.
There you go.
Okay.
And then how many grams up there? How many milliliters right there? Okay, answer. Stand density.
And sometimes it doesn't always give it, like it will give us.
Did you get
531.
Oh, I have to look at these numbers.
Oh, you had different numbers. Okay. Okay.
I don't know, you know, like it gives you something and then you have to find.
Oh,
Mass
it gives
of
you
it?
like mass and density, and you have to find volume.
Yeah,
Is that what you're talking about?
yeah, or
I can go over
so
that.
it gives, you need like 85.0 grams, it gives you the density and it wants you to find the volume.
Okay.
So you have to kind of switch around your,
Move around the equation, yeah.
okay,
Yeah. So I like to do that first.
okay.
Density equals mass over volume. Because once you put numbers in there, it just gets confusing.
Yeah.
So just stick with easy letters. And so which one are we going to solve for? Volume?
Yeah, we have to find. the
Okay,
volume.
so we need to get him by himself. He's on the bottom right now, so we need to get him out of there. Since mass is being divided by volume, we need to times him by volume to get him out of there on both sides to make it equal. And then volume's still not by itself. So and then we have to divide by density. So it equals up that volume equals mass over density. So a little bit of algebra right there. And then the kind of one step before that for the mass, if we had density equals mass over volume, we'll just need to get mass by itself, just need to get volume out of there. And then the mass equals volume times density.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How do you figure this out?
Okay, is it possible? I mean, look up there. Are there any that are really close?
To this number?
Mm-hmm.
That one.
Yeah, so is it possible?
Yeah.
So yes, and then which one do you think he is?
Oh.
Which one are you on?
Carbon tetrachloride, yep.
The figuring out density one, measuring density or something like that.
No, she's measuring density, then identifying what element it is. Okay. Good job.
So with Alex, I just have a question. So like I've done 3 and then 4 is due on the 8th. So do you just go to ones like that have some done but
It tells you if you drop down which ones.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't know which ones to do.
Yeah.
So okay. It'll tell us.
Yeah.
Converting. Interconverting.
Oh, so this one's due tonight, so that's why these aren't like required yet, right?
Yeah, but we only have like 2 days to get them done.
Study for the test.
Oh yeah.
Just this week.
Do you have any questions? Is there anything you want to go over?
One question on like sig figs.
Okay.
So, like on the, let's see, this. Okay, so it says like the 5th smallest scale.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so we have like 4 sig figs
Mm-hmm.
here, but why, I don't understand that one. Like why it's 45.00.
Yeah. So we go by the smallest scale on each of those guys, right? So you got that, the smallest one on here is 10, and so then we divide by 5, and then since there's no decimal places, we can't keep any decimal places in our answer. And this one, the smallest one is a 1, and so then we divide that by 5, and then we get 1 decimal place, so then we can keep 1 decimal place in our answer. In the burette, it goes to 0.05, and then we divide by 5, and that's why, and there's 2 decimal places, so we can keep 2 decimal places, right? So on this one, I guess it's to the first non-zero digit, and so when this is the smallest unit, 0.0625, we divide by 5. First one is that 1, and so we can't keep after that. So that's why it's 2 decimal places.
Okay, so we just look at the first one. Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
I would convert, so I have to convert this into milliliters, right?
Yeah, do you remember the conversion for that?
Oh yeah, you just went over it. Right? It equals 1 milliliter?
Yep,
Okay.
1 to 1.
Oh,
Instant conversion.
so do I just put this back down here
Mm-hmm.
and then this up here?
Yep, and then what's the conversion?
1 down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 times -3.
It's a 1 to 1 conversion.
So, oh, it's just 1 up here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so that's
1 to
the
1.
answer.
Yeah.
Why does it make it look so complicated?
They're just trying to scare you.
I know.